Hey guys, in this week's video I've put together an amazing DJ set on a program called Ableton Live. For any of you who don't know, Ableton Live is a music production software that would be used to actually make this dance music from scratch, which meant I could put together this really creative DJ set that would be extremely difficult to do on DJ decks. The reason I have done it is to celebrate a brand new online music school which I'm going to be launching in a month's time, which I'm going to tell you all about at the end of the DJ set. So stay tuned for that. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. Boof.
That's all we care about is I'm party, keeping them good vibes in the air now. Feel that high. Everyone up in the club is down with this rocket. Even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
No fear, how deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Is it like Nirvana? Hit me hard. Yeah, that's all the was. Misdemeanor said so. Everybody, come on, everybody, come on, everybody, everybody.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that DJ set I just did on Ableton Live. If you want to know how I did it and my thought process, I'm going to be doing another video later in the week that's going to explain all the different things that I did and all the technicalities behind it. A couple of you are probably wondering, why would I just play you guys a pre-recorded DJ set that's been created on a music production software rather than just showing you how to do it on DJ decks? Well, the reason is that I urge you guys to begin to get your head around music production software so you can start to do really creative mixes and mashups that's almost impossible to do on DJ decks. Once you know how to do that, you can start printing those songs and putting them into your DJ sets to really take your DJ sets to an entirely new level. The other reason why I've done this, guys, is because I wanted to introduce you guys to this amazing online music school I'm going to be launching in a month or so's time. Let me tell you all about it, okay? So, when you sign up to this music school, you're going to be taught all about music production software. So even if you've never used it before, this school is going to teach you everything you need to know from the basics. We've also got a course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about making music, whatever music you're making. From drums to bass lines to melodies to chords, all this stuff. You don't even have to have any kind of prior music knowledge. You don't have to be able to play an instrument or anything like that. We're going to teach you guys how to make your music loud and punchy like the pros. We're going to teach you guys how to take your favorite songs of all time and dissect them so you can take the drums out of them, you can take chords out of them, and you can start to replace it with your own kind of melodies, chords, drums, whatever you want. So you can get inside the heads of your favorite artists and then just go and change up the songs and make your own versions of their songs. On top of this, we are going to be giving you weekly coaching and feedback on the music that you are making. So this is a full training course where you're going to get weekly feedback, weekly coaching, hours of training. You're going to get it all. And guys, just so you know, there's only 2 of us starting this course. So we're going to have limited spaces. We're going to be taking about 20 to 30 people and fully training you up to a point where you can start making music like your favorite artists. I know a lot of the guys who follow this channel are kind of interested in just DJ music. But guys, just imagine for a moment if you could take your favorite song and actually you knew how to make that song from scratch. The entire world would just open up to you. Think about actually being able to make your own music from scratch and put them into your DJ sets. How insane that would be. Guys, if you are excited about this, you like the sound of it, leave a comment below. Let me hear what you think about it. I'm really excited. And guys, if you are as well, I want you guys to subscribe, stay in touch, keep your eye on my channel because I'm going to be telling you more about it over the next couple of weeks. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to find out more about this online music school I'm going to be launching. And leave a comment. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in a couple of days where I'm going to tell you all about how I made that DJ set on the computer. Speak to you soon. Bye.